Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video, an unexpected video this time because I've had a problem with my S500, my favorite all-time car, and it's because of a little rodent. A little rodent got in there somewhere he wasn't supposed to be. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yeah, first let me apologize for that. That was unanticipated. I don't know why I did that. Just trying to have some fun. Okay, if you remember the video that I last released on that really nice code reader from Launch, the CRP919E, go check it out if you haven't yet. Get yourself a little discount. Well, I had a problem with the S500. My check engine light came on. We used the code reader, and it indicated my coolant temperature sender was working wonky. Yeah, wonkily working. Not good. Let me show you why. As you can see in here, yep, got a lot of little critters in my neighborhood, and unfortunately lots of squirrels get smashed on the road right there. I actually saw a buzzard eating a squirrel the other day, but somehow a squirrel or a mouse or a rat is getting inside my car. Now this is a car that I daily drive, so if you think that mice and rats and squirrels only inhabit cars that have been sitting for a long time, no, not at all. Let me show you the damage that they have done. I found this out last night. This here is your water temperature sender. Yep, and look, I'm missing wires. See this? These are remnants of wires, and look how close they have chewed this off. If I could take this off, come on, here we go. Look at this. There's my connector. Look how much has been chewed off. I barely have any to work with right there. I don't want to re-plug these things. I guess I'm going to have to solder something in until I can find another car and get one of these. Yeah, I got to get another connector. Now, I thought those were poops. They're not. So I looked over here just to check things out because, as you know, the car did sit for a while, and then I cleaned it all out, and it was beautiful. It's beautiful down there. Look what happened when I opened this side right here. We're finding remnants that someone has returned. See, I have bare wire exposed right there, but let me show you his house. This guy's got a whole condominium set up in here. You ready? Look at this. And look at that. That is definitely a house, a mouse house, or perhaps a little squirrel house. I don't have any fur over here, so I don't know exactly what it is, but look at this. Yeah. Okay, so, oh wait, look at this. It's the wire. Oh, this is the wire that he grabbed. Oh, you little devil. You little devil. This is the wire that attaches right here. See, green and brown? Green and brown. Why do you need this? Why do you need this wire from right there? You got to be kidding me. And here's the other one. Look at this. Why? Why do you need this? And why are you living in a car that I drive every day? Every single day, 2 or 3 or 4 times a day, I drive this. I love this car. And you have to go do this to me? Say what? All right, I have gloves on. First thing I need to do is get rid of all this. Wow. Go back into the woods. Look at all these little acorns. You know where the acorns are coming from, right? You're going to hear them drop. That's my favorite tree. Is that not beautiful? Check it out. Beautiful shot right there. But the acorns have fallen, and this guy is preparing for winter. I cannot believe this. So, what we're going to have to do is vacuum this out. I still have to trace the wire. I don't know where those wires go. Okay, and I got to fix the wires right here, which means the headlight has to come out. But where does the green and the brown wire go? Here's your wire loom. Maybe, well, okay. Maybe right in here. Let's see. Let's trace. Here we go. Okay. I need to find this much wire. So does it go there? No. I'm thinking it goes in here somewhere. See how this just kind of fits? Yeah. If you take 4 inches of wire, that's where it's going to connect, hopefully. But I just can't see. So, well, all hell's breaking loose in Tulsa. Can you hear all the sirens right now? Great googly moogly. I can't believe this. I don't like to get into this wiring that is so old. Dadgummit. Let me show you the joy of owning a Mercedes. How much fun has this been? Yeah, to get this headlight off, first you remove your left side blinker. You have a clip right here. Move that and it releases from the car. Then you unplug it, okay? Then you have your windshield wiper, okay? So you have a screw here, you have a screw here, Phillips, by the way. Then you have your wiper itself, okay? This is your little eyebrow, this is your wiper. There's a 10mm bolt that holds the wiper blade onto this. Pop that off. Hopefully, don't break it, okay? Then you remove this. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 4 is the most fun of all because there's no room to get it. Yeah, you have to get a little baby wrench like this, 8mm, to get it out. And let me tell you something, there's nothing more joyful than removing a little bitty bolt when you have a hangnail on your thumb. Yep, that's a Band-Aid under 2 gloves. That was fun. So anyway, once you get all those out, this will come free. Okay, so you can undo the electrical connectors in the back and they'll have access to his, I don't know what I'm going to call this. This is the main home. This must have been the guest home. This was the guest house down here for that stupid squirrel. And now that I think about it, maybe the squirrel that was out there in the middle of the road is the squirrel that did this. I hope so. And I hope that buzzard or that vulture or whatever it was had a lovely meal. Ha! Now that we got her all cleaned out, let's zoom in and assess the situation. Take a look at the damage here. Yeah, you can tell I've been in here before. Yeah, for my first family of rats, or whatever they were. Look at that. Yep, yep, yep. Yay, Mike. This is... wow. Okay, so you can see a solder right there. Anyway, I'm going to have to fix this. So, oh, and look, we're missing a... that's a piece of a wire right there. Something wasn't working and Mike just didn't notice it. Maybe it was like a fog light or something. I don't know. We'll remove all of this. We will solder the wire, reattach everything, cover it back up, and then I'm going to try to find that plastic cable. The plastic's not even going to keep... this squirrel has really put a little zinger on my day today. Okay, we'll get this fixed, okay? With a snap of a finger in YouTube time, it will be fixed. You ready? There it is. Yep, take a look at that. It could be the worst soldering job in the history of soldering jobs. I had to lose my glove. But anyway, we have this all taken care of. We have this actually taken care of. And look at the color of this, brown and green. So somehow this goes here, and I think, I don't know, it's the same color as the... oh, look, I got to fix this one too. I didn't see that one. I didn't see that one. Okay, we'll get that one taken care of. But take a look at the special S configuration I soldered into here. Yeah, this will allow the flow of electricity to go supersonic. No, I don't know. My soldering sucks, basically. It's really, really bad. But we have these on, and they're pretty close to the same color. Okay, green, and then brown and yellow, which makes total sense to me. So, we'll put this back on, and then I'm just going to start the car. And wait, I want to wrap this up first. We're going to wrap this with some electrical tape just to protect those wires, because they're not the most expensive wires. I do want to find a better connector and better wiring for this. Anyway, this is a temporary fix. So we'll get that wrapped up. We'll get this one wrapped up. We'll wrap up the headlight, the engine cover. All these tools will get out of the way, and then we'll start the car, and she's going to be beautiful. And if I see a squirrel... if I see a squirrel up there, I'm going to get a BB gun. He'll be fine because my aim is terrible. It's really, really bad. And voila, we are back. We have her all buttoned up. We have removed all traces of the squirrel. We've checked the headlights. They're good. The blinkers are good, or turn signals if you want to be proper. Yeah, turn signals are good. Everything is fine electrically, and I do want to show you what's happening on the inside. We have cleared the codes, because you do that first. This is my super cheap code reader, which I just keep in this car for just emergency situations. As you can see right here, I'm on a hill, so I got the brake light on, okay? And the check engine light is off, and we are starting to show, let me kind of zoom in, the temperature of the engine. It's hard to see, but she's off the peg, and she is slowly climbing, which is perfecto. So, this is another job well done. See how it's slowly climbing up there? Yep, I gotta tell you, these W140s are amazing. I love driving this car. So what started to be a really crappy day, I was actually getting in the car and heading out, and I thought, you know what? I don't want to drive the car if I don't know how hot it is. Yeah, I mean, I've changed the water pump, I've changed the thermostat and everything else. I don't feel comfortable driving a car. If you don't know, that was an acorn. Thanks, tree. Don't want to drive a car if I don't know the temperature of the water, the radiator. So we fixed it, so we're good to go. We can continue on to Oklahoma City for some more walkarounds. We have another car in buyers that we need to continue, and I do want to say thank you to everybody. That old 190E has been incredible. I cannot tell you how many people have commented on that old, I don't want to say POS, I said, yeah, pretty good car. I'm just going to keep it at that. A pretty good car. And I have utmost confidence that it is going to start. I got to head to buyers and do another video. We're going to do some crazy things to the car too, so please stay tuned for that. All right? With that being said, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed just yet, please like, please subscribe, and I'll be back with another video, probably on a Mercedes very, very soon. Thank you for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. Okay, bye-bye.